You probably didn't realize that over 120 million people in the United States have credit issues. And if you're one of those people, here's your chance to get a free consultation by texting 702-530-9799. Now let's take a look at what real credit repair looks like. Right here is a letter that is for a customer that came to us that had something on his credit. And the cool thing about this is, with our credit repair method, we go right at the creditor, not the credit bureau. We go right to the creditor and we demand that they remove it immediately from the credit bureaus. Our credit method will work on anything that is reporting negative on your credit report, whether it's a BK, a repossession, a 30-day late, a medical collection. It does not matter because anything can be removed from your credit report. So if you're one of those people that have credit issues, you can receive a free consultation by texting 702-530-9799.